Well, we started looking at remodeling the kitchen and doing an addition to the house several years ago, and then we went up to Super Home Surplus. We met Jill up there and started talking to her about cabinets for the kitchen. And so with the cabinetry that we were looking for, she had displays set up there to where we could look at some of the finishes that they had. And the cabinets that we wound up getting, she had the hardware there and everything that we wanted, and it was a very easy process dealing with her because she kind of guided us through it.
The Thomases were really cool to work with because they had a real specific idea of exactly what they really wanted, and when they brought me their proper measurements, we were able to lay out on the computer some very detailed images of their wishes and desires to see exactly what it would look like in the future. The drawing was able to give them that vision and to prove that they were able to do what they wanted to do.
By Jill actually doing all of the digital footprints for the kitchen, I was able to shift certain drawers around, what I would need closer to the refrigerator, closer to the stove. She gave me several options. She got it right down to the inch, exactly the size of the kitchen. We gave her the measurements of the kitchen, and she was able to help us to use and utilize every space that we had in order to be functional. The first bathroom in the hallway, we gutted it out. And we were looking for something modern. Since we had already changed the kitchen to a modern style, we decided that we would do also the bathroom.
And so we picked out the vanity that we wanted and got the gray countertop to go with it, and it turned out nice. In the addition, we picked out a huge Roman tub. And it's got a ledge on it to where we hooked up all of the faucets and everything.
And my waterfall.
She wanted a waterfall in it, so it's got the waterfall to it. And so the tubs and everything that we looked at up there, looking around town at different stuff and going up there, we saved quite a bit of money. Even the flooring in the addition that we did, it came from Super Home Surplus. But I would tell anybody, go up there. If you hadn't been there, go up there. You'll wind up doing renovations to your home if you do.
And you would continue.
And it's affordable.
Yes, and I have a lot of more ideas for my laundry room.
Yeah, the laundry room's next.
Super Home Surplus, they have a store in Madison and in Bowling Green. You can stop by and check it out. Visit superhomesurplus.com for more information.